Hello friends, welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today we are going to do an yogurt based curry which is the pineapple morkulambu. For this recipe I have taken a handful of shredded coconuts, 2 green chillies, 4 shallots, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and a handful of chopped pineapples, and we'll grind this to a fine paste. Now add in a cup of pineapples to a pan. Add in 1 cup water, a pinch of turmeric powder. I have used half a teaspoon. Now mix everything well and let it boil. Once it boils, add in the ground coconut paste. After adding the coconut paste, mix everything well and lower the flame. At this point, do a taste check. Check if there is enough salt. Also, if the pineapple is not ripe, add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and once bubbles start appearing, turn off the flame. Do not let the coconut mixture boil for a long time. Now in a separate pan, add a little bit of coconut oil for tempering. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Tear down 2 red chillies. And add in a handful of curry leaves. Once the curry has cooled down a little bit, add in a cup of beaten curd and mix it well. Now pour the tempering over the morkulambu. Let this sit for 5 minutes before you serve. This is also called Pulisshery in Kerala. Do try this easy recipe and share your comments. Kindly subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.